The new Webfleet by TomTom Telematics is your window to easy and smart fleet management. See your fleet and your business through our new interface. Anytime, anywhere, and on any screen. Choose your favorite map view. Check out a vehicle's position in a few clicks. Look at trip information or driving events and see other vehicles through the same lens. Analyze their speed and fuel consumption. Define notices, warnings, or messages for when a vehicle enters or leaves a defined area. See traffic information in real time. Find the best route and save time with A/B route planning. Sort your fleet by individual drivers, or show your vehicles by groups to get a different perspective. Drill down on your drivers' OptiDrive scores and compare their driving behavior. Benchmarking your team's safety and performance has never been easier. Acknowledge and resolve your notifications one by one, or clear your field of vision with one swift action. Customize dashboards to monitor your fleet's performance in real time. Or choose a report with data from specific users. Navigate through your drivers' logbooks, review their business trips, and help them ensure tax compliance. Search and view addresses one by one, by group, or shown on the map. Easy to use, equipped with the latest technology, inspired by the largest customer base in Europe. Open your eyes to fleet management like you've never seen it before. Discover the new Webfleet by TomTom Telematics.